first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bannin.
All right, our share of high clouds, and a lot of them here today, but still enough sunshine and a warm wind to get us well into the 80s. This is our KXAN West Shore home camera looking toward downtown. The wind, of course, has been the story much of the week, and it will continue to be through tomorrow. Right now, a south wind for most of us, but a west wind into the hill country thanks to the dry line. What happens to the wind overnight? Well, it backs off a little bit, but it'll still be breezy the whole time, gusting mostly 10 to 20 miles per hour, but occasionally a little over that. And you can see as we get into tomorrow morning, a cold front arrives. This one comes in during the morning. The main thing it'll do is change our wind from being out of the south to becoming out of the north behind the front. Why does that make a difference? Well, that north wind is a drier wind that jumps up the fire danger. It is also going to make for a breezy afternoon tomorrow in the 20 to 25 mile per hour gust range, perhaps up to 30. But the wind gusts do come down into Friday. So Friday, much more of a light breeze. Did mention the dry air. The air gradually gets more humid here tonight. But then as that cold front comes in tomorrow morning, the air dries out. And then we see the relative humidity values dropping below 30% for most of the area, with the lowest values, meaning the driest air, in the hill country. And that's why in the hill country we've got a red flag warning, which indicates that high fire danger. Don't burn, dispose of smoking materials appropriately. That's what it means for all of us, really, not just the areas in the red flag warning. Burnett, Llano, Blanco, and Gillespie counties under this red flag warning from 11 in the morning tomorrow till 7 in the evening. That north wind, some higher gusts, and the lower humidity values. So tonight, mostly clear skies, still some high clouds around though. Overnight lows of 59. So it's a mild night for this time of year. We should be in the upper 40s instead. 48 is normal, but 59 is where we go. Then another very warm day tomorrow, mostly sunny, high clouds, the wind changing from south very early in the morning to being north most of the day as that cold front comes through. But the cold front's not going to bring cold. There will not be much of a temperature change at all tomorrow. It's still well into the 80s. Temperatures will likely almost match where we got today, which was 88 in Austin. Temperatures come down a little bit more on Friday, but still mid-80s. And then they climb a little bit more Saturday and Sunday, potentially some more in the way of 70s early next week, thanks to more clouds and more humidity. We're going to start seeing that humidity showing up this weekend into early next week. Not that muggy, but a little bit. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. As the humidity comes up, it eventually tries to lead to some rain. A storm system coming in Tuesday into Wednesday brings us decent rain chances for next Wednesday, but still looking wetter than normal toward the middle of the month.